Hi everyone, this is Krishna and Singh, and today we're gonna talk about NATA test series, which is absolutely free for another 2 days. Well, so We Ignite India team has decided to keep 2 days open mega test series for all of you. Apart from that, from today onwards, we decided to come live 10 p.m. at Ignite India Instagram handle. So make sure today onwards only you go and follow our Ignite India handle so that you can get update about all our works, events which will helpful for you. Apart from that, the next which I would like to suggest you can be a part of it. You make sure you go and subscribe the YouTube channel to get to know although this kind of the information. Well, so what will be in this test, the mega test series? You will get to know more detail in this test about your paper. You will practice more and more on similar test and maybe on a bigger horizon more tests before your 12th September exam. So if you wanna be a part of this, what you are waiting for? Make sure you like, subscribe, press the bell icon button, share this video to your friend. Join us immediately. In fact, I would like to tell you, we have already started the class also for Part A preparation, Part B strategy class. So if you want to upgrade your course, you want to join with us, make sure contact us right away to join those classes. So there are a lot of things on our app, there are many things on our Instagram and as well as on YouTube and in your live classes. One more very important announcement, there is a free live session also. Every day post your test 8 p.m. So if you want to participate in next 2 days to these live sessions, make sure contact us. Again, I would like to say that do not forget to contact right away after watching this video and share with this video to your friend so that we can reach to you and we can help you to boost your exam result. I wish all of you should score 150 plus in second exam in NATA. You should not get worried about it. You should not get tense and anxiety after your exam. So make sure if you want to be one of them, contact us right away. Signing off, Krishna Nand.